Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting now? Open the phone app and tap voicemail. If this is your first setup, choose Setup Now and create a voicemail password so messages stay private. Once the mailbox exists, tap Greeting to access options. This is where you pick Default or Custom. You do this because the greeting selection controls what callers hear and whether visual voicemail shows your message transcriptions. Make sure your phone has signal. Visual voicemail needs carrier support, then move to recording. Once you choose Custom, tap Record and speak naturally. Pause a beat before you begin so the start isn't cut off. Say your name, business, or a short instruction. Concise messages result in fewer lost callers. Tap Stop, then play to review and listen for background noise, volume, and pacing. If it needs work, re-record until it's clean. Make sure to hold the microphone about 6 to 12 inches away and stay in a quiet room so transcriptions and playback remain accurate. After you're happy, tap Save to apply the greeting. Once saved, test it. Call your number from another phone and let it go to voicemail to confirm the exact playback and silence length. Make sure visual voicemail shows any received messages and that transcriptions match. If the greeting option is missing or your test fails, try toggling airplane mode, restart the iPhone, and check carrier voicemail provisioning. If that doesn't work, contact your carrier. Voicemail setup is often handled on their network.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.